I've got this really filthy old computer here, and I've got a method which I think is going to be super easy and stress-free, and is going to get rid of all this discoloration. I'm not going to do the keys yet. I'm going to try and do the main plastic unit first. Right, two things we've got to mix, but don't try this at home. Bleach, hydrogen peroxide, sweet, a juice bottle to mix it in, hydrogen peroxide, it's about 25 ml. Now a squirt of bleach. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Make sure it's all shook up proper. And I'm going to get a paintbrush and work it in. I'm going to put that on time lapse, going to let it bubble away for 20 minutes and then we'll rinse it off and see how it looks. Cheers. That's only been 3 minutes because I don't really think it needs any longer. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use hot water to rinse it off. Put a bit of cold in. Well, that has made a hell of a difference, but it's not finished. You can see a few bits here. I'll leave that to dry and then I'll show you what it looks like on the on the actual system itself. But that's a very quick method. I'm going to take all the keys off and put them in this jug and then soak them for an hour in that stuff. I'll speed this up. Okay, that was the hard part. You can see it's pretty dirty and there's loads of bits under the keys. It's not as bad as it could be for 35 years. Right, that's in there, so I'm going to put it on time lapse. We should hopefully start seeing some brown stuff rise to the top eventually. So it's been 12 minutes. I'm just going to give them a very gentle stir. So that's the other one that I've got, and this is the case that I cleaned with the hydrogen peroxide and the bleach mix. It came out pretty nice. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Let's see how these keys are coming on. Right, we'll drain this off and see what it looks like. Then I might use some hot soapy water. Don't know if the camera's picking up, but the hydrogen peroxide and stuff is quite brown. It doesn't look like it's got rid of the yellowing. Right, I'm going to use some hot water and a bit of Magnum. Right, I'm going to try again with the hydrogen peroxide and bleach, see if we can get rid of some of that staining, unless it's supposed to be that colour, but you can clearly see where it's different. So, hydrogen peroxide, bleach, shake it a bit. Okay. Right, so that's perfectly white in there. We should notice if we get any staining, it should come out in the fizz out to the top of the bowl. Sweet. Greetings for anyone interested. I just wanted to show you this. So this is an Acorn A3000 out of my dad's loft, and this is one that was in exactly the same condition that I'm pimping up. All the keys have come off and been soaked properly and dried, and then had WD-40 sprayed on them. Sweet.